Good morning, everyone. Sanjeev here. Hope everyone can hear me. If everyone can hear me, just please type yes here. If you can hear me, just type yes. Guys, if you can hear me, please type yes. Okay, hope everyone can hear me. So I'm Sanjeev. I have overall 15 years of experience into Oracle. Okay, and overall 10 plus years of experience in teaching SQL, PLSQL, and Oracle EBS, Oracle Fusion. And these are my areas. Okay, and let's start. Just I'll enable each and every one of your mic, okay, for a period of 15 to 20 seconds. Please be quickly, please introduce yourself, your areas of expertise. If you're a student, please tell student, or if you're working, please tell the area where you're working. Okay, I'm unmuting one by one. Please give a quick introduction about yourself and let me know where you stand. Okay, Nikhil.
Yeah, hi. I'm Nikhil. I'm from Pune. I'm working in one company, Emphasis, as a associate software engineer.
Ajay. Ajay,
Hello.
please.
Hello. Can you
Yeah,
hear me, sir?
yeah, I
Yeah,
can
this
hear
is Ajay Kumar. I'm a student from AP. I recently graduated from mechanical engineering.
you.
So that's it from my end.
Yeah, Kavis.
Thank you.
Kabil. Kabil.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, this is Kabilan from Tamil Nadu. Actually, I'm from a civil background, so I'm looking for a change over into the IT. So that's why I'm trying to learn SQL.
Okay, Mohammed. Mohammed. Deepak. Please introduce yourself. Poonam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Uh,
please.
Thakur, I'm from Atlanta and I'm new to IT. That's why
Okay.
I'm trying to learn SQL and
Okay.
R programming.
Rajan. Rajan. Vikas. Vikram. Sorry.
Hi, I'm Vikram. I have experience on EBS. I'm learning this as a increase my skill set.
Okay. Madhu.
Hi, good morning. My name is Manu. I am BTech completed.
You completed BTech. Okay, guys. Okay, let's start today's session. If
Hello.
ever you have, yeah.
Yeah, hi. My name is Anu Kumar. I live in Gurugram. I am working as a data analyst in Value First.
Okay. So, guys, most of you, some of you are working, some of you are just pursuing your studies, and some of you are just completed your graduation. So I see it's a mix of all the people here. Just start. So before start our class, okay, let me tell you how our syllabus goes. Okay, so guys, my main motto of teaching you SQL and PLSQL is first of all we learn SQL and PLSQL. That is the primary thing. Yeah, we'll do that. Parallelly, my main intention is to remove the fear of coding from you. Okay, my main motto is that one. Okay, because anyhow you can learn SQL and PLSQL in our session, but main motto of our session is to remove a fear of coding from you. Okay, see, coding is not a rocket science, guys. If you learn PLSQL, okay, in this world you can learn any programming language. Okay, you can learn Java, you can learn Python, you can learn R programming, you can learn .NET. Okay, whatever the programming language is there on the earth, you can learn any programming language if you learn the PLSQL. You are getting it right, everyone? Because see, logic doesn't changes, guys. Even it's a Java, it's a Python, it's a .NET, or it's a PLSQL, whatever it may be, logic doesn't changes. This one, keep it in mind. Okay, why I'm telling that one? If you learn PLSQL perfectly, in future, if you see the Python programming also, even though you doesn't know the Python programming, you can understand what the program is doing in Python. You're getting it right, everyone? Okay, so just my main motto is to remove a fear from you, programming fear. I want to remove it from you. That's my main motto. So parallelly, we'll learn SQL and PLSQL. Parallelly, we'll run it. Okay, but before starting, just I want to, since many of you are already working, this may be a little boring session for you today, but since many of you from still you're studying and just completed your graduation, so keeping them in mind, just we have designed our syllabus right from basics. Okay, before that, okay, um, let's start today's session. Okay, many of you know today we are here to learn the Oracle. Okay, Oracle, what is mean by Oracle? Tell me, guys, anyone? Just I want active participation from your side. Okay, every day I will be unmuting one or two persons from you, and you have to guide me. Okay, and today I'll be taking couple of people. One is I'm unmuting Ajay, okay, and Deepak, okay, and Kabil. Okay, so you three people, okay, we'll work together every day. So, okay, today we'll work with Kabil, Ajay, and Deepak, and tomorrow we'll give an opportunity to the others. So, every day it's an interactive session, guys. It's not like just I'm delivering you the subject and whether you're learning or not. Okay, so it would be an interactive section between you and me. Okay, it's not like uh, okay, it's not like just I'm delivering you and you're listening like that. Okay, it should be a two-way communication. Then only you can understand the any programming language very easily. Okay, see, just keep it in mind. Ajay, tell me what is Oracle?
Oracle is a database management systems like a RDMS something like that. So where
Okay.
we can execute or create or access the data from the database, which is developed by Oracle in 1950s, I think so. So this is I know about little bit about Oracle.
Okay. See, what you said is right. Okay, but let me tell you. Okay, Oracle is an organization, guys. Okay, Oracle is an organization, okay, which is the base of US. Okay, apart
Okay.
from DBMS, okay, DB, Oracle DB, Oracle has hundreds of tools. Do you believe that Oracle has hundreds of tools? Okay, in market. Okay, Oracle SQL and PLSQL, whatever we are learning today for Oracle DB is the basics, guys. These are the ABCDs. These are the basics of Oracle. Okay, for DB. Okay, but above this DB, we have hundreds of products of Oracle. You heard of Oracle EBS or Oracle Apps? Is built on Oracle database, Oracle BI, Oracle OBI, okay, Oracle Fusion, okay, and we have some other services from Oracle like SOA, OIC, OCI. Okay, these all are products from Oracle, and there are well established products from Oracle. Okay, this not only SQL. Okay, since we are just come up out of college and we thought Oracle is a database. Okay, but not Oracle is not only a database, guys. This is one of the product of Oracle. Okay, Oracle is a huge giant. Okay, and the CEO of Oracle is one of the top 5 richest guy in US. Okay, he is not so rich only because of Oracle DB. Okay, because not only Oracle DB, he has hundreds of products in the market. Okay, everyone. But before starting Oracle, okay, just I want to discuss you on small concepts, very small concepts. Okay, because before starting Oracle, if you are from a computer science background, okay, I am assuming most of you are from a computer science background. If not, okay, I'm telling you some concept. Please go through those concepts, because our Oracle DB is completely built on those concepts only. Okay, in DBMS, okay, if you are from a computer science background, or right, you might be have a subject called DBMS, right, database management system subject. In DBMS, you might be heard a concept called normalization. Have you heard of this name? If you're any of the computer science people, Deepak or someone, Deepak, Ajay, Kabil, have you heard this normalization concept? First normal form, second normal form, boys called
No,
normal
sir.
form.
No, sir.
No. Okay, but let me tell you, because if you see the Oracle, right, Oracle is completely built on this normalization concept only. RDBMS. Okay, in DBMS subject we have called a relational database, where complete Oracle is built on this. DBMS is completely built on the normalization concept. If you understand the normalization concept perfectly, writing coding is very easy, damn easy. You need to understand how the normalization works. Okay, everyone, you can understand, right? Deepak, Ajay, Kabil.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let me tell you. Okay. See this Oracle or whatever the DB is there, database, is installed in one server, right? In a system or in an organization. See, we are understanding this Oracle DB in industry point of view, guys. It's not like a college point of view. Okay, we are not understanding. We are not here to. I'm not here to teach you in a college point of view. Just day one select statement, DBML statements. Okay, day two some XYZ statement, and day 10th, yeah, ABC, it's completed, XYZ, it's complete. So we are not here to learn in this perspective. We are here to learn in industry point of view. Everyone is clear in this topic, right? We are
Yes.
here to learn industry point of view. Okay, what is a server and everything? Deepak, Ajay, Kabil.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. See, in real-time environment means in organizations, how it look like means, see, imagine this is a server. Okay, imagine this is a server. Okay, in general, in server we have installed Oracle. Okay, I have installed Oracle in a server. Okay, so So this is a Oracle. I have installed in a server. Do I have only one software of Oracle in a server? Tell me.
No.
No, we have a multiple copies of a same Oracle, okay, DB. Why we need to maintain same copy, same instance? This is called same database into multiple copies. What is the use of to maintain a same copy in a multiple places in a server? It may be a same server or a different server base. Okay, that's a different case. Okay, right now here we are assuming in a same server we are maintaining multiple copies. What is the use of maintaining multiple copies of a same database? Let me tell you. Okay, see, this is a DB. This database, imagine I have 4 databases. In this I have one database which is used by real-time users. What is meant by real-time users means the software which is used by a real-time people, means real world, which is in a use of a real world. Imagine you are using HDFC bank software. Okay, see, whatever transactions you are doing in HDFC software, that is called a real-time software or real-time instance. You see, remember the terminology, guys. Here means instance. Okay, here in general we call it as an instance. Okay, what is meant by instance? Instance is nothing but a one copy of a DB. Okay, right now imagine it's a copy of a DB. In future we'll give one name to that copies. Okay, in general, right now just think that copies we call instances. Okay, in a server we have one instance. Okay, what is meant by instance? Instance is a copy of a DB. Okay, we'll have a same data here, we'll have a same data here, we'll have a same data here, we'll have same data here. But right now whatever in used by real-time people means whatever that if I am doing the transaction that is linked to this server is called real-time server. You're getting it right? The real-time instance, not server. Okay, this is called real-time instance. Any doubts still here? Hello?
No, no.
No, sir.
This is a real-time instance. They'll give one name to this real-time instance is called prod instance. Prod means production instance. Production is nothing but an instance which is used by the real-time people. Okay, the instance used by real-time people is called a prod instance. Same way, we have one more copy. We call this one is a dev instance. Means the development people will work on this instance. You're getting it right? What is meant by dev is nothing but a development instance. The same copy, this copy will be available here. Okay, and this is called development instance. This development instance, okay, will be used by the development people. What is the necessary of this development people to work on this? Why they can't work on directly on a production in a real time? Tell me. Let me
Need
tell you.
modification.
We cannot, as a developers, we doesn't have direct access to the production. We don't have direct access to the production. Imagine I have a program in a production which in 2 plus 2 it has to give 4, but my program is returning me 3.9999. Okay, which is wrong, right? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
See, see guys, one thing, no software in this world is 100% perfect. If at all any software is 100% perfect, then no need of you and me in an organization, right? We are surviving in IT industry because no software is 100% perfect in any IT industry. If any software is working 100% perfectly, then no need of you and me as a developers in any software IT industry. Okay, 100% software will have a bugs. We are here to fix that bugs. Okay, see, this I have error. 2 plus 2 is 3.9. I cannot fix this 2 plus 2 3.9 directly in production. I need to fix that one in a first development environment only. I cannot fix. So imagine I have fixed here. Okay, I have fixed this code 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Can I move directly from development environment to the production environment? No. in real time, we cannot move directly solution from development environment to the production environment. We test that one in another environment called, okay, SIT environment. What is a SIT environment? Imagine we went to a doctor for fever. Did he give tablets only, medicines only for a fever, or for other side effects also? Right? Definitely doctor will suggest us. So if you use these medicines, you will get some headache or XYZ. So you will use ABC medicines also for headache, right? He will give side effects tablets also for us. So since we have fixed here, not an issue, we move this code to other environment to test what are the side effects with my changes. You're getting it right, everyone? See guys, I'm simplifying.
Yes.
Okay. See here, I'm moving my code to another environment called SIT. And here I'm checking what are the side effects with my code changes. So here we will do the SIT system. Some people will call SIT, some people will call SAT, system acceptance test or system test. Okay, whatever it may be, but here we'll monitor what are the other programs that are affecting with my changes. So this is called SIT environment. Okay, so is that done? No. Business again will test it. Okay, we will move this code to again once we will see that in SIT everything is normal and there are no side effects. We'll move this code to UAT. Okay, UAT. In UAT, business people will work. Okay, means see who is running this report in the production. That guy will test before move our code to the production. That guy will test in UAT. UAT means user acceptance test environment. Okay, in UAT environment, this business guy will test our code in UAT. If he feels that code is working fine, yeah, he is expect whatever the report that he is expecting that he is getting here. Once he feels that everything is fine, he will give us an approval to migrate this code to the production. So after that, we'll move this code to the production, guys. So even at the time of moving this code to the production, it's completely again depends on how we migrate this code from this instance to this instance. See guys, have you anytime received a message from bank saying that from midnight 12 o'clock to morning 4 o'clock our servers will be down for an upgrade purpose or some XYZ? You might be seeing such messages, right, from banks. Okay, why you get that messages? See, even sometimes, right, if you update, if you're using iOS, right, if you're using iOS or Android, if you're getting an updates, right, for iOS or Android, your phone will restart. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Why it has to restart? There are certain changes will work only if we restart the system. Okay, see, you are uninstalling some software. Do I need to restart the system from my mobile?
No.
Doesn't require. Sometimes it may require, sometimes it doesn't require, right? Even here also, right? Whatever my changes are there, if it is a core level changes, see, right now I am showing you 2 plus 2 is a 4. It's a very quite common and basic thing. For like small, like basic things, we need not to restart the server. Okay, directly we move the code to the from UAT to the production environment. But there are certain changes which we make, like form level or front end changes or XYZ changes, whatever it may be. If we do certain changes, right, definitely we need to bounce the system. Remember the terminology. Here we don't say restart. Okay, restart. Okay, just now I told you restart the system, right? Here we don't say restart. Here we call bounce. Okay. Understand the terminology, guys. Here we use a terminology called bounce. And there are certain changes where we need to bounce the production environment. In such scenarios, what we say to the business people is, guys, we are bouncing your system, okay, to the production. So generally we bounce, if at all you have some certain migrations to be done from UAT to the production, if at all you require the bounce, generally we do it in off business hours. Okay, off business hours in general, we'll do it on Friday midnights. Okay, why? Because Friday midnights we don't have a business, so we do the bounces and we have a sufficient time of Saturday and Sunday to cross check whether our changes are working perfectly in a prod or not. You're getting it right, everyone? We don't do these changes, certain changes in mid of our week, like Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, like that. Why? Because if at all something goes wrong, we should have a sufficient time to roll back the production environment, right? So we do all these changes on Friday evenings. Why? Because we have a Saturday, Sundays, and week off in any organization. So if at all anything is going wrong and going, which is moving away from our hands, what we do is we will roll back the changes, everything we'll have a copies. Okay, we'll roll back the changes, and from Monday again, if at all everything is more perfectly, we'll maintain a new system, otherwise we'll continue as a old system only, like Friday. Okay, this is the whole thing. See, another, this is called bouncing. You got it right, everyone? Any doubts here? Okay, see, in main thing here is, see, if at all we are all based off in means India. So in India you have an apartment, right? If I want to connect this development environment, okay, how do I connect? Means we can connect this one. See, in India we have apartments, right? In apartments we have around 10 flats or 20 flats or 15 flats or 10, like at least 10 to 12 flats in an apartment. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. Do all 10 flats has the same address except house number?
Yeah.
Except the house number. Except the house number, remaining address is same for all the 10 flats, right?
Yes.
Same if I install this 4 softwares. So guys, I am showing you here 4 environments or 4 instances. That doesn't mean we need 4 instances. There are certain projects where we need to maintain 16 instances, 8 instances, 10 instances, because ours is not only the developing team. We have n number of teams parallelly working on one project. So that is the reason we maintain n number of instances there. This whatever I'm showing you here is a basic thing. Okay, this is the minimum number of instances you will see in your real time. Okay, it's a depends on project, where some people will maintain SIT and UAT in the same environment. Some people will maintain more environments. So they said, I don't do testing in SIT, I need some other instance to test. This is the development, and support people will say, so I don't work on a development environment and need some more environments to work. So it's completely depends on work, how many copies of instance or production you will maintain. Okay, everyone, it's not mandatory to have only 4 instance or 2 instance or 3. It's completely depends on a project. Okay, see, we right now here server. So what is a server, guys? Server is nothing but a hardware. See, I have my laptop which has certain hard disk, certain RAM, okay, and certain configuration. Yes or no? Can my laptop act as a server? Yes, even servers are nothing but it's a hardware, guys. Just a hardware. It will have a but huge GB of RAM. Okay, and continuously will maintain in a some cold environment, right? Same server is that one only. Okay, in a server, just a hardware, guys. One machine. Okay, in one machine I install this 4 softwares or 4 instances. So this will have one address, guys, that is called IP address. Okay, or you know that IP address is some 225.16 dot something, right? Okay, dot like this. It will have some IP address. You are getting it right, everyone? This would be in static IP. This would be in static IP, not in dynamic IP. Right now, whatever the IPs we are using is a dynamic IPs. What is meant by dynamic IPs? So just in a Google type, what is my IP? You will get one IP address. After 1 hour, type what is my IP? You will get another IP address. Okay, our IP address will change dynamically. Okay, every 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes or whatever it may be. Okay, based on your network configuration and all that stuff. But if you want to maintain a server, it's dynamic IP will not work. Okay, they will buy specific IP for a server. Okay, this is called static IP space. Okay, if at all we need to maintain a server, we should have a static IPs. Okay, and this in technical terminology we call host. Okay, this one is called host IP. Okay, host IP or IP address. You're getting it right? Hello?
Yeah.
What the
Yes.
people will do, instead of telling this one 125.16.123 like 11 or XYZ, they will link this one to one domain. Okay, they will say www dot, okay, some abc.com. Okay, if you see www.abc.com, okay, internally this abc.com is calling this IP. Okay, we will link this one to this domain. We will purchase this domain, and there are some configuration persons will have this IP, and we'll link this IP to domain. Instead of telling this one is easy, right? To anyone. Okay, this is called domain. But how I will connect this specific SIT? So see, if at all I have a 4 instances or 40 instances in a server, like in apartment, each and every flat has one number. Here also every instance has one port. Okay, imagine this one is 1521 is a port number for development environment. Okay, 1531 is an port number for SIT environment. Okay, 1555, okay, is an port for production environment. Okay, like 1521 is an 41 is an port ID for UAT. So how do we connect? IP address followed by port ID. This is how we can connect to the specific environment in a server. You're getting it right, everyone? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is how we maintain. So this is how the work will be. Our changes will be moved between the instances. So how do we move our work between the instances? We have either we go with a manual approach, or that too depends on completely on project case. Project to project it varies. It doesn't mean I can migrate code from this to this using manually. I can go, or we have a tools also. Okay, in market we have n number of tools. Okay, to migrate the code from one instance to another instance. Okay, one among and famous one is Delstat. Okay, okay, Delstat is a tool which helps to migrate a code from one instance to another, especially in the Oracle domain. Okay, so in Oracle, Delstat is a tool to migrate. So what we do, we'll do whatever the changes we do in the dev environment, we register in a Delstat. So just a drag and drop from instances. Just this is not our topic, but I'm saying we have a tool called Delstat to migrate the code from one instance. Instead of everything going for a manual approach, this is the tool we use to migrate. Okay, and we have certain tool. Delstat is a migration tool. Okay, migration tool. Okay, Delstat is a migration tool, the code migration tool. So even we have some more tools for version controlling tools like SVN. Okay, SVN is somewhat an old tool of a version controlling. Okay, it is called version controlling tool. Version controlling tool. Okay, SVN. Or we have some more apart from SVN, we have some more tool got GitHub. Okay, GitHub and Bitbucket. Okay, these all are the GitHub, SVN, Bitbucket. These all are the version controlling tools. Imagine previously what is the code we have? 2 plus 2 is 3.9, right? That is in our initial version of a code. Okay, and we have corrected the code. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so this is the latest version. Okay, some other changes. See, I need to apply tax on 2+2 also. That is next change. So this all versions will be maintained in these tools. Okay, if you open this one, you will come to know if you the complete code, you can view it. So there it will highlight it. In first he has made these changes, and next version he has made these changes, and third version he has made these changes. So in SVN and sorry, not in SVN, in Git and Bitbucket, you can view the changes. Okay, but in in other version control tools, you doesn't have that option unless or until the person will comment and saying that I have made these changes for this and for XYZ and all those stuff. Okay, but in Git and Bitbucket, yeah, if you open the code in Git and Bitbucket, see, in general, to know Git and Bitbucket, you should know little bit of Linux, guys. Okay, using Linux, okay, Linux only, you can able to handle Git and Bitbucket. This is a version controlling tool. Okay, if you open that one, you will see each and every person what are the changes that you made. You can see it. Okay, it's not a rocket science, and it's a damn easy, guys. Okay, damn easy tools. Okay, apart from that, we have one more tool called ticketing system. Okay, what is meant by ticketing system? See, this is the issue you had 2+2 is equal to 3.9. Who will report you? How the means the business person will report you, right? I'm getting a wrong value here. Yes or no? Hello? Yes, right? Business people will report us 2+2 is 3.9. So how do they report you? They will create one ticket for you. Okay, they will create one ticket for you. Okay, that ticketing system, okay, we have n number of ticketing systems in the market. So one among them is Jira is one of the ticketing and most famous and efficient tool, and another one is ServiceNow. Okay, ServiceNow is also a ticketing tool, but it's not as big as Jira. Okay, Jira is a very giant application in ticketing, and there is ServiceNow not even nearby Jira. Okay, this and even this Jira you can directly link to Bitbucket. From Jira directly you can link to GitHub. Okay, and from Jira, you can track how many hours you work on one issue. Okay, everything can be tracked from Jira. Whereas in ServiceNow, you don't have all the options. Just it's a ticketing system. Just your ticket will be assigned to you, and just you start working and just to close it. That's it. If anything subtask is required, yeah, you'll open it, and that's it. Done. Okay, these all are the tools and supporting tools where in real time you have to work with along with Oracle. Okay, not only along with Oracle, guys, these are the tools where Jira, ServiceNow, these are the some of you are in real time, you might be working, you might be know what is Jira and what is ServiceNow. Just I'm explaining for the freshers folks, okay, who are just out of the colleges and just they are searching for a job. They don't know what is Jira and what is ServiceNow, what is Bitbucket, Git, and all these things. So those who are already working in and working in one, you might be know all these tools already. Okay, considering the other people, I'm explaining these concepts. Okay, everyone got it? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see now, imagine now we only consider only one environment, guys. Only one environment. Okay, I'm considering now only one environment. Imagine now who will maintain this server? Who will maintain? There are two peoples who will maintain this server. One among them is DBA. Okay, database administrator. Okay, database administrator will maintain these instances. Okay, they will see how much load is there, how much why the programs are stuck, why the programs are in deadlock, and all this. The maintenance will be done by DBS. Okay, maintenance of the instances, they'll see, right, at right time it has to bounce properly. If anything, right, because sometimes we'll get a patches in our iOS and Android, right, regularly once in 1 month or 45 days we'll get an update in our iOS, right, iOS or Android. You might be observed or not. Hello? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right.
Yes,
We
yes.
might we'll be getting this updates right from iOS and same from Android. Same like Oracle also. See, this is Oracle DB. Same Oracle also will provide us an patches. Patches means Oracle is also updating something in his system. So we bought a license from Oracle to use this DB, right? Oracle, if he implements something, he will give us a patches. So it's a duty of DBA to check every month or every quarter what are the new changes from Oracle. So he need to get the changes from Oracle website, and he need to update our instance up to the mark provided by the Oracle. You're getting it right. What is the use of what is the role of DBA? He will don't DBA will not involve in coding, guys. His duty is to maintain a server up to the mark. Okay, he need to see all the copies are in sync, and all and up to whether our Oracle DB is up to date or not as per Oracle standards. So his role is that one. And there is one more guy called network people. What is the use of this network people? He is the guy who will provide you these IPs, and he will see his role is to monitor this server should be safe from hackers or not. Okay. What are the other servers? Let's see, guys. In a server, it doesn't mean we maintain only Oracle copies. Here, even if I need, I can maintain some other DBs also. I can maintain even SAP DB or some PostgreSQL DB or XYZ. Okay, it doesn't mean in server I can maintain only Oracle. Okay, it is an open space. See, in my laptop, can I say I can only run Oracle? I cannot run SAP, or I cannot run other reportings. It's not like that, right? I can have my own. I can run movies, I can run songs, I can work, whatever I can do it in my laptop, right? Everyone. Same way in a server, not only Oracle, we have any number of other small softwares is also involved parallelly. It completely depends on this configuration. So it's network guy duty to monitor all those things. You're getting it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's a network guy. These two are the people. Who are these people? Just like us only. Just they completed the BTech and they completed our graduation from XYZ. These are the technical people only, guys. These two guys also technical people. Okay. So this apart from these two, we'll have two more people called functional people and technical people. Okay. Okay, we'll come to these two roles shortly because we are the technical guys. Okay, we'll read the coding. And who are the functional people? In general, these functional people are MBA graduates or CA graduates, guys. Okay, in general, the functional people are the MBA graduates or CA graduates. This person's role is they will directly interact with the business, and they will get the requirements, and they will give requirements to the technical people. Can technical people can directly interact with the business? At initial stages, no. At initial stages, directly technical people cannot interact with the business. Once you have 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years, or at least 10 years of experience, you can speak in a functional language, because the business will not understand the technical language, guys. Keep it in mind. If you say I'm using this code, I'm using this for loop, say right now I'm telling you I'm using this for loop, I'm using this variable xyz, I've done this thing, that thing. If you say in the technical terminology, business will not understand our technical terminology, guys, at all. They will understand only, see, you will say invoice. How many of us know what is meant by invoice? Okay, in general in India we will call that one as bills. Okay, but in business terminology it's called an invoice. Okay, in just I'm telling you, there is something called accrual accountings. Okay, just an example I'm saying, you doesn't mean to take it this one as granted. We have some accrual accounting. Okay. Okay, see, in general, guys, what is meant by accrual accounting? Anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me? This is a terminology in accounting, guys. If I say accrual accounting, that means just like see, we have one general store. Okay, from month 1st to 30th, we'll buy the products. But on 1st, whenever I get a salary, I'll repay the amount. You're getting it right? If you maintain such accounting is called an accrual accounting in business. You're getting it right, everyone? Such type of accounts are called accrual accounting. Okay. There are some more accounting called withholding tax accounting, XYZ. Okay, we'll just move out of those terms. But see, business will speak in this language, guys. We don't know what is accrual accounting. We don't know what is withholding tax, and we don't know what is payback later accounts and all those stuff. Okay, but business can understand only that language. But what we do in general, what we do is uh, technically we can say, okay, from 1st to 30th, whatever the things you are buying, we are paying on 1st. This is the technically you can write a code for that, very as accurate as you can write the code and thing. But if you say the business, right, from 1st to 30th, I wrote a code from whatever the things you are buying it, you are paying on 1st. For this, I wrote a code for you. So if you explain like this in a technical terminology, business will not understand this. That is the role of the functional people. Okay, technical people can be a functional consultant after certain years of experience. Okay, after if you work for 5 years or 6 years and you understand this business terminology, and slowly you can even convert your role to techno-functional roles. Okay, we are here right now. Okay, but DBS can never be a technical or a functional guy. Network is no way scope he has to be. He can learn technical or a functional stuffs. Okay, everyone getting it right? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. See. Okay. No, see. Now we jump into the next concepts. Yes. See, this one instance. Imagine immediately when I install a Oracle DB in my system. When I install Oracle DB in my system, it is a plain DB, guys. It doesn't have anything, right? When you buy a phone, apart from OS, do you have any other apps? Play Store except iOS and Play Store or whatever it may be. Imagine I had a new laptop and I installed Microsoft. Do you have any other softwares? No, right? It's a plain system. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, right? We have plain system and default login is admin login. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes, right? Default login is admin login. Same way, when I install a software, Oracle DB in my laptop or in my server or whatever it may be, default login is sys or system. These two users. Okay, these two are the super. Apart from these logins, you doesn't have any other logins, guys, in a system. You're getting it right, everyone? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. These two are the super users. Super users. Okay. Means they can have a complete control on a DB. They have a complete control on a database software. When you install a Oracle DB, right now, what is the exact current version is 21C, guys. Oracle 21C. Okay. Is the current software. But we'll practice on Oracle 11 XC version. Okay, means enterprise version, which we will work on a express edition. Okay, not on enterprise version. Okay, but I'll give you a document to install. How can we install 21C? It's a lengthy process. If I try to explain you, it will take only installation of 21C will take one session first. Okay, but I'll give you a document. If at all you have interest, you can go and install 21C. But for us in this stage, doesn't require to go for 21C. X is sufficient. Okay, it will have all the features. It has all the features as 21C, but 21C has some advanced features like auto tuning and XYZ, which in this stage we doesn't require. Okay, in this stage, since we are in a beginning stage, we doesn't require. We'll go with the Oracle XC, that is Express Edition software. See, if I install this 21C or XE, whatever it may be, it's a plain database. It has only sys user and system user only. I can able to log in with sys or system user only, guys. You are getting it right, everyone?
Mm.
Okay, at the time of installation only, I need to give the passwords also. Okay, leave about all the things. I will show you tomorrow how to install the software and all the passwords and XYZ and everything. Okay, tomorrow I'll show you. But right now, imagine I have sys or system user. Okay, right now, how do I connect this one? So we have many tools in the market to connect the DB. Okay, one among them is SQL developer. Okay, one among them is SQL developer. Using SQL developer, you can connect to this DB. And only SQL developer? No, we have Toad also. Toad is another software to connect this DB. Only using Toad? No, we have BI publisher tools. Okay, use this is a reporting tool. Using this reporting tool, I can connect to this DB. Only reporting tools? No, we have n number of tools, guys, to connect to the DB. It's not only SQL developer or Toad or whatever it may be. Okay, we have n number of tools in the market. We have BI, we have OBI. Okay, OBI, these all are reporting tools. Yes, we have Apex. Okay, this is a front end tool, means front end screens. We can design the front end screens. Apex, ADF, advanced framework. Okay, ADF is nothing but a framework. Okay, framework tool. Using ADF, I can be able to connect this DB. Okay, in this, each one has their own importance, guys. Okay, ADF is only to design the front end. Okay, using this front end, I can able to connect to this DB. Apex is also a front end tool. Using this front end, I can connect to this DB. Okay, OBI is a reporting tool. BI is a reporting tool. Toad and SQL developer, these are the developer tools. SQL developer and Toad. Whereas a Toad is a licensing tool, you need to have a license to use a Toad. Whereas SQL developer is a free tool provided by the Oracle for us to practice, not practice anything. Okay, if you can, even in a organizations also, many out of 100 90 plus organizations are using SQL developer only. So we use SQL developer. Okay, if at all you want to use a Toad, yeah, you can use a Toad. We are getting cracks in the market. If at all you can use it, yeah, use, not an issue. But we are learning SQL developer. And the basic thing for as a Oracle developer, guys, directly log into, okay, oracle.com, okay, or support.oracle.com. Okay, just use this website. Okay, support.oracle.com. Okay, this is just like what we call Bhagavad Gita or a Bible for us. Okay, not the Google. If you are an Oracle developer, remember this website, support.oracle.com, where you will have all the supporting softwares. Just log in and create your account with your Gmail. Okay, here, and then only it will allow you to download the softwares for you. Okay, right now, but I will provide you the softwares. If not, you can download it from this support.oracle.com website. Okay, but I will provide you the softwares, okay, as required. But this is the area where you will get all the softwares of Oracle for your practice or even for a business purpose or whatever it may be. You will get it from the website support.oracle.com. Okay, that's the official website from Oracle, guys. It's not a third-party applications or XYZ. It's official website from Oracle where you will get all the supporting softwares. Okay, imagine. Okay, now we'll come. Wait. Okay. Using sys or system, using SQL developer, I can connect to this DB. How do I connect using SQL developer? In SQL developer, I will have one area where I need to provide this host details or IP details and SID details. Guys, let me show you how it looks like. Okay, see, once I install my SQL developer, okay, you will have a shortcut like this. Okay, it's need not to install. Once you download, it's an unzip base. You need not to install an SQL developer tool. Okay, once you download from on Oracle, okay, it will look like this zip. Okay, SQL developer. This is the latest version. Just now I have downloaded 23.1.0 some XYZ. Just right click it and unzip it. That's it. You need not to install it from wherever you have unzipped. Okay, just you will have a shortcut. Okay, use that shortcut as send that shortcut to your this thing. Okay, desktop. Okay, see here I have a connections. Okay, in connections, see sys or system. You can see two users, right? So just I have entered these details, but in general, you will see blank here. Okay. So here, see guys, here. Okay. User is sys. And at the time of installation software, tomorrow I'll show you how to install the software and how to give this password. Okay. Whatever at the time of installation of software, for sys, I need to define one password. That password I'm giving here. Okay. I said, right, host. Okay, since I have installed the software in my laptop, my host is localhost. But in general, this will in real time, this is not a localhost. Here you'll have an IP details. You're getting it right, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, since I have installed the software in my system, it is my host name should be localhost. Otherwise, this would be an okay. I need to it will have an IP address here. Okay. You're getting it right, everyone? Clear? Here, till here. Port. Since in my system, default port number is 1521, guys. Default port number. This one is 1521 is a default. If I try to install another DB apart from Oracle, okay, it will have its own default port number also. Okay, I'll get that port number from that DB. Okay, it may be MySQL or XYZ. And here I'm telling you another thing, guys. If you learn Oracle without knowing, you know, even MySQL also. Without knowing, you know, PostgreSQL also. See, all the SQLs, 95% working is same. Okay. See, port and SID. SID is nothing but this one, guys. SIT, UAT, prod is there, right? See this one. Since this one is an express edition, here we have XC. You're getting it right, everyone? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So, but what I'll do with this empty database? What I need to do with this empty database? So here, this empty database has to work for a business, right? Yes or no? It may be school business, or it may be supply chain business, or it may be HR business, or it may be any financial business, manufacturing business, right? This DB has to work for any of this software, right? Yes or no? It has to work for any of my businesses, right? Everyone,
Yes.
right? So what they will do is, see, imagine we will consider one business scenario right now. Okay. In general, imagine right now, I'm considering this for supply chain business. Okay. Supply chain. Okay. Supply chain business. What will happen in supply chain business? In supply chain business, what Amazon is doing is it is buying and selling, right? Products. That is a supply chain business, yes. What is the just I'm telling you? This is that is a supply chain business. Okay, what Amazon and Flipkart and all these things are doing is a supply chain business. So, have you ever observed? Okay, invoice of Amazon in one order, how many products I can purchase in one order? In one order, how many products I can buy? Hello. See, guys, whatever we are discussing today, till our last day session, we'll implement that one in our real time, in our sessions. Okay, we are not going here with student employee data or EMP DPT tables. Okay, we are going with the real time examples. Supply chain. It's your wish. Okay, tomorrow we'll take a decision whether we'll go with the supply chain or regular EMP DPT tables you want, or you want something new like supply chain business or HR business or whatever it may be. Okay, I really I have no interest on EMP DEPT tables. Okay, but if you want to go only with EMP DEPT tables, yeah, we'll go. Not an issue for me. Okay, but here we are here to learn in a real-time scenario. That's the reason I'm insisting you to involve in a business, understand the business, how the business works. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in supply chain, in Amazon, imagine I'm ordering. So I have order number 1. In order number 1, imagine O1 is an order number 1 I'm ordering. In O1 order number 1, I can order 10 products, right? 3 products of pens, 3 products of some pen stands, and the 6 products of some XYZ. In a single order, can I order this many products? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, right? See, in supply chain business, orders will be taken by one team. Yes or no? Orders
Yes.
will be taken by one team. Imagine A team has taken the orders. This team has taken the orders. Who will deliver the products? Imagine you ordered in, have you ever observed in Amazon or Flipkart? Okay, you ordered from Amazon, but delivery guy, who is delivering you? Is it from Amazon or it from some your local vendor? Have you observed in Amazon? You ordered from one area, Amazon website, but you will get delivery from your local vendors. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? So,
Yeah.
see, so means we have inventory somewhere. That is our inventory. That is our inventory. Inventory will be maintained by some other people. Okay? Within the same system. Some other department is maintaining. Okay? Money is collecting from by the accounts session. Finance people is collecting the money. Okay, and if you get any issues, we have some other team who is maintaining the issues list. You're getting it, right? See, this do inventory accounting, these things, this database is again virtually divided into n number of users, but this system user is an admin users, okay, or a super users. Along with that, our database is again virtually divided into number of users, guys. N number of users like this, virtually divided. Okay, so in each user, it has its own tables. Okay, its own data. Okay, in supply in this area, okay, this is called ordering area. In ordering area, I'll have only order informations. I doesn't have anything. Okay, in inventory, I'll have only in inventory information. That is, imagine I have Lenovo laptops 10 with me. I have HP laptops 20 with me. Okay, only I will have an inventory information in inventory module. This we call modules. Okay, we'll come to that on later point of time. Okay, in inventory, I have only the inventory information. Apart from that, I don't have the order informations in inventory. Okay, but one order requires inventory also. Yes or no? For A order, I need to ship HP laptops. For second order, I need to ship Lenovo laptops. So this guy needs this information or not? Inventory information or not? Hello?
Yes, required.
We require. Same way, see, this is whole DB, guys. This whole DB again virtually divided into n number of users. Each user has its own information. He owns its own information, but this information is again shared with some other users, whoever it's required. Okay, this data, it doesn't mean I have a data in inventory, I don't give to other users. No, even though I have an inventory information here, based on the requirement, I need to share with other departments also. You're getting it, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Accounts has nothing to do with the inventory, but it has to do with the orders. You need to know from order number 1 how much amount I have received. Okay, For order to how much amount I have received. Accounts has nothing to do with products. How many products is sold or how many products are not sold. It has nothing to do with inventory. It has only to do with how much amount is came in, how much amount is going in. Okay. Getting it right? Each department has its own individual usage, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is how the real time look, guys. Real time doesn't look like EMP, DPT in the same schema. Okay. Here we call these things as this virtually whatever the database is divided, right? These divisions are called schemas. Okay. This users are called, some people will call DB users. Okay, some people will call schemas, some people will call DB users. Okay, whatever, but this all thing is there in this, everything is there in this instance only. So for everything we'll have a same port number, same IP address, but to log into this DB you should have a username. Since I have a sys, which is a super user, this super, using this super user, we will create these users in this instance. But who is the head of this one? Head of this one is sys. Okay, sys is a head of all these users. Okay, these are the normal users, and sys is imagine this is sys or system user sitting on top of everything. Okay, these all are the individual who will decide how many users should be there in Oracle. In not only in Oracle. Okay, we'll have one role called architect role. Okay, you heard of this architect people, right? DB architects. Those are working. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, right. This architects people, what this architect people does, they will decide how many schemas should be there and how many tables should be there, how the table should be joined, and what is the data that need to be protected here, and what is the data that need to be shared between these schemas, right? This everything will be decision will be taken by the architects. Okay, this is a one-time activity, guys. This division of the users and all these things will be done by the architect, and this is the one-time activity in at the time of building a fresh software. Okay, we'll stop it here and we'll continue tomorrow. Please provide your feedback. Okay, and we'll continue here from tomorrow. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, schemas means there is different tables, right?
Schemas doesn't mean tables. Schemas is nothing but a, but I said right, virtually divided. Okay, this DB is virtually divided. Okay, imagine this is 100 GB space I have in this DB. Okay, virtually I will divide here 20 GB, 20 GB, 20 GB. This schema is nothing but say using SQL developer here, whatever the username is there, right? This username is a schema. Okay, it may have a tables, it may have a procedures, it may have a functions, it may have a packages, it may have a views, it may have a sequences. Okay, that doesn't mean schema only holds a tables. Okay, schema holds everything based on requirement. Okay.
Okay.
Hope Ranjan, you doubt got clarified, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it doesn't mean schema only holds a table. Okay, tables is one of the concepts, one of the thing in a schema where you have a tables to hold a data, that's it. But in real time schemas holds many things inside.
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay guys, see, finally I'm telling you, if we understand in a real time, if you want to go in a real time scenario, we'll go like this. If you know we don't want real time scenario, we'll go with EMP, DPT tables like regularly what you know. We'll go in that way only, that passion only. Okay, it's completely it's your decision, guys. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet you tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.